Here are the nominees for Best Horror Show.
American Horror Story, double feature.
Good.
Chucky. Fear the Walking Dead. From The Walking Dead. What We Do in the Shadows. And that's you.
And the winner is, thank you, Dee, for the glasses. The winner is, I have to, guys. The winner is The Walking Dead.
Accepting for The Walking Dead are executive producers Angela Kang and Scott Gimple.
We have no plan. Hi. Thank you. The Saturn Awards have been so kind to us. We're so grateful to the Academy of Science Fiction, Fantasy, and Horror. We are, like many people have said, fans of so many people in this room. So many people in this room have inspired me to do what I do. On behalf of the show, thank you. I want to thank our cast, our crew, our amazing producers. I want to thank Scott.
I want to thank Angela.
And just our incredible fans. I know Lauren Cohan, she's working on one of the new Walking Dead shows, so she's at work right now. We've got Daryl Dixon, our own Norman, about to film in France at the moment. So we're just grateful we've gotten to have this ride for so many years. Scott, say things that are more eloquent.
Oh, God, no. Really, one of the first years I was show running, I realized I got to go to the Saturns. And that was like the big treat of you're getting close to the end of the season, and it was like part of the finish line. And every time we would go to the Saturn, there would be these moments that you just don't forget, like the moments tonight. And the continuum that we get to participate in of these 50 years, of being a part of that transition from fandom to being professionals, to work alongside fans who have become professionals and to be among fans who will become professionals. It's incredibly gratifying, and I feel very, very lucky. I also would like to thank Breck Bassinger to give me the strength not to go to the bathroom, to be here for this. Thank you, guys. The Walking Dead, the cast, the crew, the producers, I'm going to say it for Robert Kirkman, everybody. I think this year we want to thank the Saturns. We want to tell the Saturns just how grateful we are to be a part of their history and to come to these shows to share these moments. So thank you.